It'll produce an installable package that gets rolled out with that image that I mentioned, or not if you're not using stateless. And that installs, in the stateless case, via Pixie prior to application of the host profile. And again, this will be available in the next major release of vSphere. Implicitly, Python and your ESX CLI plugin also run in the user world environment. So that means that you have limitations here. You can't write some Python script that goes around and does nasty stuff to the host, or else it'll get killed by our security policy, and that won't do you very much good. So something to keep in mind at the back of your mind. So to summarize, we've talked about lots of different host extensibility features and mechanisms for ESXi, which is going to be the cornerstone and basis of our next major release of vSphere. We really want to make sure that you have the information you need to choose the right extensibility model. And if something's unclear from my talk today, either talk to me afterward, or please make sure that if you talk to your partner alliances contact or get in touch with us through that, because that's how we're coordinating this effort. I've given you some examples of stuff you might want to do using the host extensibility models I talked about today. Host profile plugins, you might want to do your init stuff that you might be doing with an init script today, you might want to do with a host profile plugin tomorrow. Installation scripts, stuff that maybe you think sets up a persistent parameter that sticks around on the disk and you reboot and it's just sitting there every time, and so therefore you don't evaluate it again when you run a binary or reboot the host. You might need a host profile plugin to reinitialize that. You also might use a host profile plugin to do configuration and to configuration backup, to automatically backup configuration, and then for various other utilities that are associated with initialization and boot. SIM providers, these are